This is annoying. I bought this runner's belt, which has a place for cell phone and some small items like keys, primarily cell phone. And I thought it was a good deal. It was less than €3. It was, I don't remember. I have the receipt somewhere, sort of kind of missing. But I used it once, and after using it once I noticed, there is something missing. It dropped handle in the woods. It dropped here in my apartment somewhere, which I find lucky. However, even though this is sort of probably close to manufacturing defect, what I think happened here is the end of the zipper was not properly connected. There are some seams missing, and when I pulled the thing, it came out completely. And yeah, technically this is not broken, it's just like disconnected, but putting it back is pain in the ass kind of thing. You probably cannot do that without good helper tools. And these are the best that I have to pliers, almost surgical type. Now if I manage to put this handle back, I will stitch the zipper a little bit better, or maybe put some glue. I decide if I manage. And plan B would be replace the zipper with the Velcro strip. Neither one is not ideal. Okay, now it's halfway there. And the other side. Other side missing still. I'm not going to be able to put them in aligned fashion. I cannot align the zip line until maybe I can manage to put the zipper inside the handle, both part of it, because I cannot have a good grip before that. Then another time, pliers. This time I put it the other way around. Okay. Now it's going. It's not still like ideal configuration. This should, the end of the zip line should align, and I try to do it in the other end. End of the line. Really not a thing that I can do. And I unzip the beginning, and please don't consider me, I'm not pretending to be any kind of repairing professional here. I do it which I find. I fix things if I can. And you might be able to do it also. Now it goes backwards. And now we might be able to connect the zip line without see, almost there.